Hi there! Today I just wanted to do a super short video to start to answer to some of the questions that I receive related to uploading our design on Spoonflower. So as a surface pattern design, I do upload a lot of things on Spoonflower, and I also want to do more and better next year. But one of the part that for me was super difficult to do, and like the biggest reason for procrastination, was to put effective title, description, and tags. And my Spoonflower shop is still far away to be perfect, to be honest, because I was busy with other things until last week. So, but now I'm back on my to-do list, and I want to do it properly. So I'm releasing soon this Skillshare class. Here you can see the draft. I need to upload my own project and then finish to upload the video here, but I guess it's coming out tomorrow at most. And yeah, so this class is about using AI, and in particular Peppino, that is here, my Peppino, that is how I call ChatGPT, because I develop a plugin that will support the artist in this workflow. So it's like giving you more time to focus on your art and less in this part that maybe is not so funny usually, but it could be. But anyway, this one is a class. You will see more when I will publish. But what I wanted to show you is that when you upload the website on Spoonflower your design, there will be some of them that are for sale and some are not, because to make available for sale your design, first you have to prove them. So basically you have to order through your own account your design that can come in different shape, like this one is how a swatch is a big, or for example there is this one is the so-called 42 quarter chilled. Anyway, we will talk later about this part in other video, so let me just answer to the question, because it's just an answering to the first question. But I'm telling you this one because after we release the class, in the discussion part of the class itself, so here I'm going also to post the detail for a live meeting that I will do together with the student of the class, where I'm going to answer to your question related to how to use exactly the plugin to support your productivity on print-on-demand website, and in particular to Spoonflower, because this class is based on 3 examples on Spoonflower. So okay, again, I'm so tired. Sorry. I will try to put some bookmark to just jump to the part that you need. So the question in this case is that it seems that something is not set properly on my Spoonflower account, because I can find my name when I search it, and nor can other people. I went into my account and to my shop and copied the link and share with a friend and gave it the access to this one, and she was able, I guess here she was saying that she was able to like reach finally the link on her account, but still not to buy. So according to what I can see from the question, my opinion is that most probably the pattern was not set properly to be on sale. So the specific pattern has to be set on sale, and I'm going to show you right now how I do it with mine in 3 different ways. Or again, sometimes you cannot just put things on sale because you didn't order first the proof. So you do, but once you have, let's make it like this. If you have in your hands a proof, like in this case, or for example, this one is the example we are going to do. Sorry for the example of the example of the example, but what I want to say is that since I do have this pattern in front of me, means that I did prove them. So I should be able to make for sale all of this one. So this bluish, I don't know if you can see well from the camera, like this bluish, this green, this orange, and the pinkish, and so on. So let me show you. So what I was going to do is like I would go to my Spoonflower shop, And here I can see the one that I already like, for example, here it is. This one is for sale, so people can go there and buy it directly on different, let's say, gift ideas, or also they can buy it according to the meter, fat quarters, watch, and so on, with different type of fabric. Like in this case, you could buy the cotton, the jersey, the canvas, and so on. So how can I be sure that this one is also visible to other people? If you are in Chrome, you just need to copy and paste the address. So Ctrl-C, or I guess you know how to do it with the Mac if you are in a Mac. And then my suggestion is like go to a new Incognito window, and there you can paste the link. And you will see that even here where I'm not logged in, I can still see this one, and I can still have the add to cart in this bold green. So I can buy my pattern. And again, this means that I set it to be public. I set it to be on sale. And how do we check this thing? If we go here and so in your Spoonflower account, you push edit design, you should be able to see here in the bottom part on the right button that you set these 3 check mark. So you said that you would like to include this design in my public gallery, and you said also that you wanted to sell this one in fabric and in wallpaper. If you don't have it, this one is what you have to check. I will provide you another example that I prepared before. It's like for example, for this one, the red is the same. As you can see, I have it here. Ooh. Ah no, yes, of course, I didn't push edit the design. But also this one, if I go to the, oh sorry, if I go to my Incognito window, that is okay, I have 20. Here should be the same, because I prove it, I test it, and it's set to be on sale. But now I wanted to show you this. This one here, I took away, so I still left it like in checked that I want him to be in my public gallery, but I didn't put that I wanted to sell it on fabric and wallpaper. So if I copy and paste this one in my Incognito window, I'm saying Incognito is by the way the pronunciation. Okay, you see, it is public, so it is reachable for people, but they cannot push this one. So you might want to check if these settings are all set. So if now I do this, and usually you have to do it one by one. Sometimes Spoonflower needs some time, but let's say that I think it's updated now. Let's check again. Now it is green. So I think that the problem might be this one, that you need to go in your own design and set also these two. Honestly, for me, it was enough when I received my Spoonflower proof to say that I wanted to sell it, and these two were both selected. But recently I didn't order other design, so I will let you know if maybe something changed in the procedure. But anyway, if you check these 3 check mark and all of them are blue, you should be all set. If, for example, this orange one, I took away all the 3 of them, if I copy the link, should not be visible at all, even if before was for sale. You see? So if here these one are not checked, the 3 of them, it's not visible at all. Let me try now to do this one, like make it for sale. What will happen to this design? I'm curious to see what happens. When you make it for sale, automatically these 3 are blue, so it should be fine. So to recap, to be sure that everything will work also for other user, my suggestion is edit your own design. So again, let's just go in general into your shop. That will drive you to Spoonflower. Since you are the shop seller, when you click in one of your own design, you will be able to edit the design. By editing the design, here, everything should be with the blue check mark. I hope this one was useful. Sorry if I didn't arrange too much this video, but I'm a little bit in hurry. There are also other ways. For example, I know that if you go to the, I suppose they will work, but again, is some ones that I'm not paying so much attention to this part. So I will definitely check before our before the live session with the student of the class. But yes, you can do also a lot of this kind of action in with more than one design in the dashboard. But again, this class is really focused at most in providing effective title, description, and tags for each design. So let's say that we are working more on each design at the moment. And I hope I'll see you soon in the Skillshare class. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you, search me in Skillshare, so you will be notified when the class will be released. So I suppose that if you go here and you push the, I mean, I cannot follow myself, obviously, but let's say if you follow me on Skillshare, you should be able to be notified when the class will be finally ready. And here in YouTube, I have also a short video about what is going to be in the class. And yes, here I will provide the plugin, the resources. You will be able to stay connected with me. And yeah, so mark your calendar, because as soon as the class is ready, I want to do this live with the students to collect more questions. And I love to try to answer live, but I might also add a form here if you want to submit more questions. Okay, said so. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you soon. Bye!